In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in run. Now here you will write percentage local app data percentage. Then press enter. Here you will find some unnecessary folders that you can easily delete. So just you want to control A and right click and then delete. So these are unnecessary folders and they don't delete any of your personal data. So just delete everything here. So once you have done deleting this, now you want to go here and type in task manager. Here you will make sure that you disable any Roblox player running in the background. So if you see one, right click and end task. You can find them easier if you just search for them here, Roblox, and you will be able to find them easier. So go to details, do the same thing inside details. So you would right click and then end process tree. So any Roblox player or Roblox app here, just end the process tree. Now once you do this, this will basically refresh the Roblox player, and now you can try to restart the game and hopefully your issue is fixed.